Good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, staff shortages. We've been seeing it last several months, affecting different venues, dining facilities, activities on board cruise ships. It's been an issue that we've had to deal with pretty much since the restart of cruising, and once again, it looks like it's going to strike, and this time it's going to hit Princess Cruise Lines. So the Diamond Princess, scheduled to restart cruising September the 1st from San Diego, California. They're going to delay the restart, and that is forcing Princess to cancel 11 cruises from September the 1st to November the 13th. All right, so Princess Cruise Lines put out this following statement. Over the past year, we have operated hundreds of cruises thanks to the tens of thousands of our Princess team members that have rejoined our fleet to deliver exceptional Princess vacations. However, like others in the global travel industry, we have experienced some labor challenges. With rising occupancy levels on the ships that have already returned to service and our commitment to guarantee the Princess experience is exceptional, Princess has made the difficult decision to cancel a limited number of voyages, 11 sailings, on the Diamond Princess beginning September 1st, 2022 through November the 13th of 2022. So guests booked on these 11 sailings, they have three options. You can take a replacement cruise sailing out of Los Angeles and also receive $100 onboard credit per person. You have the second option of taking $100 onboard credit and a 100% future cruise credit for a Princess cruise. Or you have option 3 to take a full refund for your cruise. You just have to submit that directly through Princess Cruise Lines prior to September the 8th in order to get the full refund. And we can all agree that canceled cruises, they suck. We're just a couple of weeks away from those who would be sailing on September the 1st. And to find out your cruise just got canceled, that's always a bad day. That's always bad news. And it just sucks. There's really no other good way to say it. It sucks. So hopefully Princess gets their staff shortage issues corrected. They're able to get crew on board this ship, get it back up, get it back into service, and get passengers back out there and cruising. But I just wanted to let everybody know that way in case you are booked on the Diamond Princess anytime between September the 1st and November the 13th. Keep an eye on your email. Take a look at your choices for either moving to another cruise, getting your money back, future cruise credits, whatever it is you choose to do. That way you can still enjoy your vacation. You may have to drive up to Los Angeles to get on a cruise ship, which I know may not be ideal for some folks, but it's definitely better than no cruise at all. And that's going to be our cruise news story for this morning. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Free to do so. Helps our channel grow and lets you know anytime a cruise news video comes out. Hope everyone has a really great day today. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.